Hey you two, I hope you all are enjoying your winter break. I'm still on my winter break. Tomorrow's I go back to school. And today we're playing Sword Burst online with Fire Venom and Elijah. He says hi, YouTube, Fire, and then he says hello. Today we're gonna try being the boss. Anyways, let's go. Let's go, guys. Anyways, if you can't tell, apparently I dyed my hair again. For fun, sometimes. Yes, they follow me to the boss. Actually, Elijah is a higher level than me and Fire. I'm gonna ask him what level is you. What level are you? Fire's level 22, which is him. I already know his level. I'm gonna tell him to say music with the number. That roll. He is level 39. Okay, let's get going. We only have music. 15 minutes to record. Anyways, me and Fire and Fire's sword and Elijah's are both maxed out, so all maxed out, not all, so they're all maxed out apparently. So we're gonna try to beat the boss. And yeah, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and share this video. Comment down below what do you want me to play next with you guys. And if you guys don't know this, but I have Builders Club, and apparently I could donate Robux to you guys. We're gonna be doing a Robux giveaway. I'll give away 10 Robux to someone, or maybe 25 Robux. Who knows? Anyways, yeah. If you want to enter the giveaway, don't forget. Yeah, if you want to enter the giveaway, you gotta share or like and subscribe and comment down below and turn the notification bell on when I upload. And then we'll see who wins the 25 Robux. And yeah. Apparently, they're both my friends. But BRB, I gotta show them something. So, as you see right here, I got 48 Robux. Now, if we go to my profile, well, if we go home, wait for that to load up, and he said, okay. Might take a long time. And yeah. Come on, load up. So it's, as you can see it loaded. See, I have BC, which is Builders Club. It's only, well, $5.45, I think. You can pay with your credit card. Or PayPal. So yeah. I think we won't get to beat the boss, but we'll probably be farming crocodiles. Depends. Okay. I'd like to give a shout out to Elijah and Fire for being here today. Kinda sleepy. I don't know. I think he lost connection. bad, we lost a teammate. If you keep going further in, it's just crocodiles halfway, like, and then go further in, you see some fairies, magical fairies, I guess. Yeah, it's a tree horse. Instead of a seahorse, they named it tree horse. Run! No! How did it reach me? For some reason, I keep spawning in there. I'm on my way. I don't know why I spawn up here. Let's see if it's out of the map. Woo! I thought I was falling off. Nice. Come on, fall. Oh gee. Spawning up in the tree. Yeah. Oh, a crocodile was following me. Hiya. Slow-mo. Okay, so let's keep going. Oh, fire is back. Hey, turn the shield off. There's fire. Wow. Yeah. Ah! Yeah, I still got the EXP. Almost level music 26. Apparently I have to use music every time. If I wasn't lagging so much, probably would have been able to get that kill. Yes. And where are you guys? The game's about to update, guys. Oh noes. Ah, the game's updating. No. Fire. The game is updating. That means the creators online. What's the new update? Ah! Wait. Anyways, YouTube, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will talk to you later. I'm gonna tell them to say bye to YouTube. Anyways, he says see ya. Bye. Bye guys.